Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to use ChatGPT on iPhone. We're currently on our iOS device on an iPhone and you can see we're on ChatGPT. It has a black screen but you have some details right there. It's quite minimalistic and of course you could make the best use of it. One of the things you could do easily with ChatGPT is to ask it anything. For example, we could type in anything, or of course, you could use the suggestions right here, right? And you could say, write a thank you note to my interviewer. So we could tap on it and you can see some more details of that template prompt. And this prompt helps you to know how you can express thanks to your interviewer. So this is one way you could use it by using the suggested prompts, or of course, if you have something more personal, you could of course use the ask anything option and type in anything. Of course, you have the other options right here. You have the plus icon. When you tap on it, you can see that you can add files, use your camera, or your photos. You can use this in addition to your prompt, and this will help ChatGPT get a better understanding of what you want. You also have the filter icon right there just beside the plus icon. When you tap on it, you can see some tools. You can create an image, search the web, run a deep search, or think for longer if you're into deeper stuff. Then of course at the right, you have the microphone option where you can dictate your expression and it will be writing down the prompt. Then you have the voice mode where you can have a conversation with ChatGPT. Now, of course, if you'd like to create a new chat, at the top right corner, you can see the new chat option right there. Tap on it and you're there with a new chat option with ChatGPT. Then still at the top in the center, you have ChatGPT 4o. This is the current model we're using, and once you tap on it, you can see some other options right there which you can switch to. Then again, at the top right corner, you can see a dotted chat icon. When you tap on it, this will change your chat to a temporary chat. It says that this chat won't appear in your history. So if you want to have a temporary chat, you can use this option and ChatGPT will not save your chat. We could turn that off because we want to have a history of our chat. Also at the top left corner, you can see the dashes there. You can tap on it and that will bring up some more options. You can search for your previous chat. You use ChatGPT library, ChatGPTs, and ChatGPTs are basically customized models of ChatGPT where you can tap on it and you can select GPTs that are specific to different niches. You have those that are trending by ChatGPT, writing ChatGPT, productivity options, etc. When you tap on the dashes at the top left corner, it takes you to this side pane again. And there you could also see your previous chats, and at the bottom you can see your profile icon. It's also your avatar, and once you tap on it, there you can see your details, your email, your phone number, your current subscription, and if you want to upgrade, and other options are available at your disposal. So all these are options for you to use ChatGPT on your iOS device. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like.